Hello, my dear future chartered accountants. This is CH in my Hegde, your learning partner for CA Final, FR, and SFM. This video is regarding the update on study material which has been revised by our institute applicable for May 2021 exam. They have revised the study material. My responsibility is on two subjects, FR and SFM, and here I am coming with the SFM update. The comparison between the new study material and old study material I have covered in the form of a comparison by columnar format, which I'm going to share it with you now. This you can download this document from my Telegram channel at CH in my Hegde. You can subscribe at CH in my Hegde and you can download from that. This you are having a new syllabus. It's very fortunate you are still called as new syllabus because 2 years are over. You're still called as new. I think already few people's attempts would have been 3-4 attempts. They're still writing new syllabus only. The reason is, as you know, the old syllabus still in the parallel, so they have given the still name. The old syllabus students have the luxury of practice manual, which was not there. Hence, new syllabus people have been given more number of questions in the material. And even then, in my opinion, not enough questions have been added. So just to give you idea about my classes, what problems we cover, I have given in last column in my textbook which I cover in the class, how many questions have been covered. That will take it up later. Now, coming to the study material portion, as you know, there are two areas. One is on illustrations and the other is on practice questions. They also have some updates, small updates on theory portion, like some paragraphs have been changed. That I'm not focusing here because anyway, I know people would not have read the theory. Anyway, you read the theory just before examination. Read the new book itself. Why you break your head about old book, new book? Even if you read the old book, you read the new book, you don't find any difference because you will not remember anything. I mean, just on a fun side. So theory is not having any impact as such. If you want to read from new book, a fresh matter is solved. With respect to problems. So predominantly the problems which have been added on an overview basis, if I have to give a comment, all those questions were previous RTP, MTP and previous examination questions. No new questions have been framed and asked in this. New questions have been which are added. So those who have covered my textbook, those who have taken my classes, 95% of the problems which are already covered are done. You don't have to worry at all. 1 or 2 problems are added. I will come up with a separate video regarding that. Okay. Now, what are the changes? Let's quickly go through that. Overview only. As you know, study material has got broadly 2 types of problems. One is on the illustration they solve, theory question which you are not focusing on, and the practice problems for your practice, and then they give the solution regarding that. Financial policy, corporate strategy, no changes in illustrations, also 0. Study material also 0. Risk analysis, risk management, illustrations, practice problems 0. I mean, it was 1 questions, now 1 question continued. Security analysis also 2 questions were there, now also 2 questions, no change. So first 3 chapter, actually you can say there is no change at all. Now coming to security valuation, the bond valuation, equity valuation, that case it has no questions were in illustration, now also nothing. Here they have added 10 questions were there previously, 31 questions have been added. And which are those questions added, sir? Take a look at it. I've done it for you people. I've listed out which are the questions which have been added fresh. So if at all, if you're doing, please do these problems afresh. Sir, how many problems are there in your textbook, sir? Look at this. 74 questions. Where is 3110? And that too is only bond valuation. Equity valuation will come later. Okay, comes to portfolio management. 1 illustration have been added, illustration number 9, and from 12 to 41, 12 questions were there in study material, practice questions earlier, now 41 questions were there. So basically 29 questions are added, 41 minus 12, 29. And those 29 questions are, these are the list I have given for you. Sir, how many questions in your study material in your book? Look at that, 116 problems. Securitization, no questions anywhere. Mutual funds, no illustrations. 4 questions were there earlier. Now 25 questions have been added. 21 questions. And not only that, 1 questions from old syllabus, old study material has been deleted. Question number 2 is not there. So how many new questions are added then? 4 became 25, but 1 deleted. So 21 plus 1, 22 questions have been added. 1 deleted, effective 21. And these are the list of 22 questions for your reference. In my material, 48 questions. Derivatives, sir, should we go derivatives? Our heartbeat increases. Let's look at it. Derivatives, only 3 illustrations are there. Now also 3 illustrations. Questions 5 to 20. 20 questions have been added. And which are those 20 questions given? How many questions in your material, sir? 100 questions. 100 century. Forex, 1x only, difficult in life. Forex, foreign exchange risk management, 9 illustrations were there. Now also 9 illustrations. 10 study material questions were there. Practice questions, they have added 41, means 41 have been newly added. Which are those 41, sir? I have given. How many questions you have in your material, sir? 147. Coming to international financial management, illustrations also 4, now also 4. Practice question, 2 questions were there, it became 7, so 5 questions have been added. How many questions in your materials are? 50 questions. Look at the proportions. Corporate valuations, 2 illustrations have been added, 3 illustrations, 2 became 5. Which are those, sir? 2, 3, 4 are added. And regarding the practice questions, it was 4 questions, it became 16 questions. 12 questions have been added. Which are those 12 questions? I've given the list. You can go through it. How many questions in your materials are? 129. Mergers, 4 illustration, no change. 10 questions became 31 questions. 21 questions have been added. Which are those 21 questions, sir? I've given the list. And not only that, 1 question have been deleted from the old study material. 5 has been deleted, in the sense it's not 21, it is 22 problems have been added. So totally, if you see in the study material, you have 232 questions, and you can say illustration 34, and that is about 266. And I have compiled study material questions, RTP questions, MTP questions, previous year question papers, everything have been compiled, and it is available in my textbook, and I would have covered in my classes. So that is your textbook, sir. Tell us about the questions have been added. Hold on, I'll come to it. Simple comment first. The questions have been added. No new variety have been added. New variety comes in exams. Here, nothing, no new variety has been added. So if a student who's covering old syllabus practice manual, it is all part of it there. If a student is doing my textbook, Hegde's Hedge, it's all part of it. If a student has taken my regular classes, it's all part of it. 1 or 2 questions I will add. Sir, I'm not your student, sir. I don't have practice manual, sir. Can you help me with these questions? So many questions have been added. Okay. For that, I will come up with a separate video. Depends on how many people ask me. If there is a demand, I will roll it out. But you have to prove it to me that there is a demand. If you want it, please have a comment in my Telegram channel at CH Chinmay Hegde or FRSFM CH Chinmay Hegde. There you can have your comment. If many requests do comes, then I'll put up a video. Anyway, I would have covered those questions in my classes. So my regular students have no worries, absolutely no worries. Each and every question have been already solved in the classes. It must be available. 1 or 2 questions may not be there. I'll come up with the update video on that. Hope things are clear, my dear students. So this is the update regarding SFM. New questions which have been added by CA Institute. Nothing to worry. No new varieties has been added. All the existing varieties only, and previous question papers, old syllabus, practice manual books, which is part of my textbook anyway, have been asked. Totally, my textbook has 783. Crazy enough to solve everything. Anyway, so I wanted to give you everything. It is there. So that's the summary, my dear friends. SFM May 2021. Hope you're preparing well. This is the update for you. Increased number of problems. Please try to cover it. It's available in study material. If you want a video on The questions which have been added, I've shown it to you, but which are the questions in detailed? If you want me to explain and put a video on each and every question, please make a request. I will come up with the updated video. So that's it for now. Next video, I will be releasing it on one more paper, that is financial. Fine. So again, I repeat, if you want anything, you can subscribe. My YouTube channel is there, FRSM by Advait Learning, or you can do a Telegram channel at CA Chinmay Hegde. Okay, that's it, my dear friends. Take care. All the best. Do well. See you. Bye-bye. Before we meet in the next video. Take care.